PrintCity works with commercial businesses in a range of different ways. We work with Business Growth Hub to help businesses to grow. We also work with the Made Smarter program to help businesses introduce Industry 4 technologies. And we also work with companies across the UK to introduce additive manufacturing as well. PrintCity works with a wide range of industry sectors, from engineering companies to fashion. The cross-faculty approach that we take at PrintCity enables us to work with a wider range of industries and helps us to introduce innovation in unexpected areas.
In addition to the good work PrintCity is doing inspiring and educating students, academics and industry, we've also immersed ourselves in circular economy projects like the CERMAP, Share Repair and Transform. This is in addition to the good work we did over the COVID pandemic, where we produced hands-free door openers and visors for the NHS. The growth of PrintCity means I have a growing team of expert technical staff who all bring something valuable to PrintCity, both working inside of PrintCity and also out on sites, providing a high level of technical services and hopefully helping PrintCity to grow even further.
The ongoing growth of PrintCity and PrintCity Network enable us to get more complex machinery to reach out to quite a range of SMEs and produce exciting projects through additive manufacturing. PrintCity Network is a European regional development funded project that will work with Greater Manchester businesses to incorporate Industry 4 technologies and additive manufacturing.
PrintCity Network will take engagement with industry to a whole new level. We have a whole new fleet of technologies planned, as well as an amazing new workspace to collaborate with SMEs, work with SMEs and to teach and learn.
The future of PrintCity is definitely exciting. In a short space of time, we've grown from a small team into a much larger organisation. We have some fantastic funded projects going on, which will definitely continue to develop in the coming years.